Hey, what's up guys? Greg and Sean here from Triforce Construction. We just finished up the retro remodel in Kitchener. This home was completely dated. I don't think it had ever been renovated in its entire life. Basically complete 70s wallpaper throughout, dilapidated kitchen, brown cabinets, and just really not set up for a large family. I think one of the biggest challenges that we had with this project was COVID related, and everybody's being affected. The supply chains are being affected. People, unfortunately, are calling in sick, understandably. You know, you do the best you can, and thankfully this project, we're still able to get them in the house before Christmas. It kind of surprised even myself, because I didn't think it was gonna happen, but we did it. One of the big things about a home that's built in the 1960s is homes were generally built for larger families, so there was a big emphasis on having more bedrooms. Well, nowadays families are a little bit smaller, and there's a little different needs for that. So one of the big things that we did with this home is we converted one of the 4 bedrooms into a master ensuite.
One of the things I would have loved to do with this house would have been to open up the walls, and the customer initially, she wanted us to do that in the kitchen area. Unfortunately, it didn't fit the budget, which is fine.
Typically in a home like that, we would have opened up all the walls and created a massive open concept, but we had to work with the existing kitchen footprint. And what she was able to achieve in that kitchen, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful open kitchen. It just seemed like it was so dark and dingy before, and now it's beautiful, bright, and open.
And even given that we had to work with the original footprint of the kitchen, we were still able to get a really large island in it, which was awesome.
Yeah, you think about it, because it had that original peninsula coming across, and that kind of ended with the cabinets on the top, so that kind of completely cut off one half of the kitchen to the other half. So it made it seem a lot smaller. Now that we opened everything up and put the island in, it seemed like a much larger open space.
Yeah.
But when we went into the kitchen, like originally, remember how dark it was in there? It's just dark everywhere.
There was just one fixture.
And some of the rooms didn't even have lights in the ceilings, right? Some of the rooms, they're the old switched receptacles, right? So you go in the room, center of the kitchen, there's a center light, and that's it. And then the other half of it's blocked off. Now we got beautiful rows of LED pot lights. Really like just brighten up the space, and especially with the white countertop and the white cabinets.
Yeah.
It's just glowing. It looks incredible. I guess the other thing is that ensuite, because that's a big deal, to take that 4-bedroom home and take a bedroom and turn it into an ensuite with a beautiful custom tiled shower with the custom glass. And then the water closet too, to get that extra privacy, right? So
I know that's one direction that a lot of ensuites are going in these days, is having the water closet, or it's basically where the toilet is in a separate room with a closed door, as opposed to just out in the open, right?
Yeah, because then you have that privacy. You can still be using the bathroom and another person can be using that, and that's great.
Another big thing too, like, is took out that iron railing, that ugly iron rail, old school, with plastic at the top, and added a beautiful oak new railing going down the stairs.
Yeah, so I think one of the things I'm most happy about with this renovation is that the customer didn't just decide to focus on the kitchen, didn't just decide to focus on the bathroom. They decided to do the whole home. And that's when you get the biggest wow effect and the biggest transformation and the most complete transformation. So we're really happy that we're able to take this home from top to bottom and completely transform it, because now we have the result we have, a beautiful transformation. Just want to give a special thanks to C9 Design and all of our other trade partners who all made this possible. We couldn't have done without you.